Have you ever looked at your messages and thought, I really need to clean this up? Old conversations, spam messages, or verification codes can quickly pile up. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete text messages on your iPhone step by step. And don't worry, I will keep this simple. Before we start, here's something important to know. When you delete a message on your iPhone, it is permanently removed. That means it does not go to a trash folder like it might on a computer. So just make sure you don't need the message before you delete it. Let's start with deleting a full conversation. Open your Messages app. You'll see a list of all your conversations. To delete one, find the conversation you want to remove. Place your finger on it and swipe to the left. You'll see a red delete button. Now tap delete. That entire conversation is now permanently removed from your phone. This is great for things like spam messages or conversations you no longer need. Deleting messages can help you save space on your phone, so if you are running out of space, go ahead and delete some of those unused conversations and reclaim some of that space. Now let's say that you only want to delete part of a conversation. To do this, first we are going to open the Messages app once again, find the message that you want to remove, press and hold your finger on that message. A menu will appear, tap More. You'll now see small circles next to Messages. Tap any of the messages that you want to delete. Now tap the trash can icon after you have them all selected. Finally, tap Delete Message. Those messages are now permanently removed and the rest of your conversation stays. Here's a simple tip. Cleaning up old messages can help your phone feel less cluttered and easier to use. Even doing this once in a while can make a big difference in the performance of your device. Give this a try on your phone today. And if you're an Android user, don't worry, I've got a separate video where I will walk you through these same steps. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.